Hey guys, so we have a problem with the red Chevy. Found a couple articles saying when it starts burning a bunch of oil and the baffle in the valve cover goes bad, so we're going to replace the baffle. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Sure would help me out. And don't forget to check out the giveaway pickup video. We're going to be giving away a pickup, so it'll be up here. Just check it out real quick. So anyways, make sure you like, share, subscribe. Let's get this valve cover pulled off. We got a new one here. Let's unbox it real quick and make sure it is the driver's side valve cover. So let's get it out and then we'll unbox it. Looks right to me. Here's the updated baffle for the PCV valve. So let's pull the old one off and see what happens. See if we can fix this thing real quick. Okay, we got the valve cover off. I'm just checking all these lifters real quick. They're all tight right now, but look at that. Just brand new head gaskets. And that might be from the old head gaskets, I don't know. But you can see this one hole here, and this one has it back here. And it also has baffles right there and there. So we'll throw him on, see how that works. We might have to do a complete engine flush on this, but we'll try this. We got to clean this mounting surface real quick and throw the new one back on. This ain't going to be a very hard job. We'll just see how it works after we do this. So let's go ahead and get started doing that. So we got it done. We got the new valve cover put on. It's right there. We got that put on. All you need to do this job is a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket with a 3" section, a 8mm socket. Those are for the valve cover. Those are for the coil packs. This is just for your clips. And then I have a Milwaukee Fuel electric ratchet. Just makes it go faster, and it pulls everything off real fast. So we just put that stuff away real quick. We'll see how this thing starts now, and we'll watch for smoke. It might smoke a little to burn the oil out of the intake, but we'll just have to see. So let's go ahead and crank her up and see what happens. A little bit of puffiness. Also wanted to check the water in this thing. A little low on coolant, so we'll add some coolant real quick. So let me finish this up and we'll get back. So I think we're gonna call that a wrap. Seems to be running fine. Better put our coolant lid back in. Also needed to do a little few things, like a little low on brake fluid from doing the brake caliper on it. The engine's sounding good right now, so I don't know what that means, but it's got a belt squeak, and I'll have to find out where that's coming from. Little watch underneath this. So this side doesn't hardly have nothing. Let me get a light put up here. I mean, simple job. So hopefully this helps somebody. If you're burning a whole lot of oil and can't find out where it's coming from, I almost bet that it's that or driver's side valve cover. So let's watch this one for a minute. Nothing abnormal happening. So still no smoke. We're doing good there. Guess we could give it a rev real quick. I think this will wrap it up after I rev this a few times. We'll see if it works. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. That just sort of smells like condensate, and it's evaporating pretty quick, so I imagine it is just condensate. So there we have it. It's done. Maybe we can drive this pickup now. We've been waiting to drive it. We haven't drove it very much. We have drove it some, and we changed out the oil one more time without you on video. So I think we're finally done with this truck. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, share, subscribe. Check out the giveaway truck. Let me know what you think, what we should do with this little Toyota that I got going on. Got a little Toyota pickup that I'm working on. I don't know what to do with it. My wife says I can't bring another one home till I do something with that one. So anyways, thank you guys. We'll see you guys next time.